Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have another unboxing and first impression plus the update for you. The update is for Drakkar Intense by Laroche. It came out this year, 2022. It is flanker to 70s Drakkar or 80s Drakkar Noir, and it goes for around £25 in the UK for 100 ml EDP, and it is in terms of smell is amazing. Okay, so Mamma mia. Okay, so in terms of smell, it's very close to both Drakkar and Drakkar Noir. It is a true flanker of those two, so you won't miss out too much on those two. And they added a little bit of sweetness, little bit of suede or leather feel to it, but a tiny bit, not much. So the main character of Drakkar Noir, it is here still. So I would say around 70% still Drakkar Noir, plus a little bit of added sweetness and added leather, a little bit of amberiness as well. So it is not complete departure, and it is a true flanker. And the only disappointing thing for me is the performance. The performance is around 4 to 6 hours, which is below average for EDP. If it was more, if it was about 8 hours, it would have been perfect. But it is what it is, so it is between 4 to 6 hours with an hour of very good projection. You get, for the first hour it's a room filler, but after that slowly basically steps back and it becomes very close to the skin. When you move around, people can still smell you. If you use it liberally, the sprayer, if you go around maybe 7 or 8, then it will stay a little bit longer. The only problem is because of the character of Drakkar Intense, if you go for many sprayers, you will choke yourself out, because it is very herbal, very herbaceous, it's quite spicy, it is aromatic, and it is very masculine, plus those added a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of amberiness, a little bit of leather, and it's very woody. So that's why if you put too much of it, it will be a little bit on the annoying side. On the t-shirt, it goes a little bit longer, maybe around 7 hours if you put on t-shirt. This one is definitely for a mature nose. I would say 30 and up to be on the safe side. That definitely will remind you of classic 70s and 80s fragrances. It will be, for me, I'm middle age, I love it because it reminds me of my young age. I smelled either Drakkar Noir or something similar to it many times. So it reminds me of those era and reminds me of my own, say, childhood. So for me, is this, in terms of smell, is beautiful. It's perfect. I like it very much. As I said, the only disappointing thing for me, on my skin, in your skin, might be different. It might go longer, but on my skin it went around 4 to 6 hours. In the 6 hours you hardly could smell it. You have to basically dig your nose into your skin to smell it. It could be that it's one of those fragrances that when the longer it stays in the bottle, the better the performance it will get, but that has to be seen, and we have to wait for it to see if that is the case in maybe a few months time or a year time, to see if the performance improves somehow or maybe significantly. Okay, so for now, 4 to 6 hours is the max you get. If you t-shirt around maybe 7 hours. And as I said, if you put too many sprays, be annoying. So it's one of those fragrances, yeah, you cannot go too many sprays, and if you put ample enough sprays like me, I put 5, It's 4 to 6 hours is the max. Okay, guys. So this one is very very good, versatile for any season, anywhere, anytime, any occasion. As I said, the only thing you have to bear in mind is, because it's on the classic side, is a little bit on the mature side, so 30 and up to be on the safe side. Obviously, if you look up, if you're young and if you like Drakkar Noir, and you will like this, there's no limits, but for recommendation is 30 and up. Okay guys, so that was for Drakkar Intense by Laroche, and let's go to the unboxing and first impression of today, and it is Jaguar Excellence Intense. Few of you will know that I'm a big fan of Jaguar House. I have many of their fragrances in my collection. I think many of their fragrances are very very good value for money. They are very very reasonable, very cheap, but they smell very very good, especially for that price. And today I'm happy to unbox this one because I've been waiting for this for quite a while. This one is a flanker, and the Jaguar Excellence was EDT. This is a EDP version. Okay, so not mixed up. This is Eau de Perfume, and this is 100 ml. And let's go unbox it. Sorry about the noise. So as you can see, the box is quite simple, but it's nice design to it. The details quite nice. I like their boxes and also their bottles, because they are a car manufacturer and they have to pay attention to details, and they always do that. Look at that, very very pretty bottle. The bottle looks much more expensive than I paid around £20 for this, but I think they retail about £50, but you can find them discounted, quite readily available. So look at this, amazing. The bottle is heavy, it's thick, it's very pretty. It's just got curves to it at the top, at the bottom it's got a curve to it. Excellent, excellent, and attention to details everywhere. It says Jaguar on the top. The cap is quite heavy. It's like a chrome effect. It's plastic, but it's chrome effect. And let's go with the atomizer. The atomizer looks modern and very very good sprayer. Okay, so as I said, attention to details with Jaguar is always excellent. For what I paid, amazing presentation. Alright, so how is the Jaguar Excellence Intense? Wow, very cute, very very cute. So it's quite modern. It's sweet, it's woody. Wow, it's ambery. It's got depth to it, very nice. Wow, the opening is gorgeous, and it's got a little bit of grapefruit at the moment. It's very citrusy in the beginning. It's tarty citrus. It's a little bit on the herbal side as well. Little bit herby, little bit green. Wow, but gorgeous. Again, Jaguar never disappoints. At least for me, for my nose, for my taste. Jaguar has always been good. In their collection, they have many. Probably about 20 or 30 fragrances, and almost all of them are excellent. In terms of performance, they are very very good as well. So we have to see the performance for this one, but for right now the smell is gorgeous. So for the first impression, it looks like it's very dressy. It's dress up, is going out, is formal, is very it's not very masculine, but it's quite masculine. Okay. Wow, the base got some sort of patchouli there, because it's quite earthy herbal. Goodness me, that is a beautiful surprise. So in terms of smell, absolutely gorgeous. In terms of presentation, absolutely gorgeous. For the price, under £20, absolutely yes. But we have to wait and see for the performance, and I'll let you know in the next video. Is it good, is it bad, is it excellent, and the development and changes and things like that. But for the first impression, for the first sniff, Jaguar Excellence Intense, it delivers. Very very good. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, very classy, very smooth, very buttery, very it's like a very balanced. There's nothing out of place. It doesn't nothing shouting out. Everything coming very coherently together. So far so good. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I will let you know in the next video the performance and the changes. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, press the notification, and comment. If you share it with others, that would help me to expand my channel, and I'll be grateful. Thank you very much guys for joining me. As always, see you later. Bye bye bye.